Okay, so exercise 25.4, question 1. So it asks which of these lines passes through 1, 2. Show clearly how you got the answer. So here, this line goes through it, this line goes through it, the third line does not go through it, the fourth one goes through it, and the fifth one does not go through it. And I showed clearly by working it out here. So I have the point 1, 2. So x is 1, y is 2, and I'm subbing in. So here I'll have 2 is equal to minus 2 bracket 1 plus 4. 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 4, and I get 2 is equal to 2. The next one I have is over here, so I have y is equal to minus x plus 3. I sub in, y is 2, so 2 is equal to minus 1 plus 3. 2 is equal to 2, therefore it is on that line. Part 3, I have y is equal to minus 2x plus 5. So y is 2 is equal to minus 2 bracket x is 1 plus 5. 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 5. 2 is not equal to 3, so it's not on line 3. Line 4, I have y is equal to x plus 1. So I have 2 is equal to 1 plus 1. 2 is equal to 2, so that one is on the line. And part 3 then, I have y is equal to minus 3x plus 6, and I get y is equal to 2 is equal to minus 3 bracket 1 plus 6, and I get 2 is equal to minus 3 plus 6. 2 is not equal to 3. Question 2 here, so similar question, but it asks which of these lines pass through the point minus 1, 3. So x is minus 1, y is 3, and I've shown clearly how you got your answer. So the first one does, the second one does, the third one does not, the fourth one does not, and the fifth one does. And now I'm going to show my workings. So I'll have y is equal to minus x plus 2. I'm subbing in. So y is 3 is equal to minus, x is minus 1 plus 2. So I have 3 is equal to minus by minus gives me plus. So I have 1 plus 2. 3 is equal to 3. Therefore it is on the line. Next I have y is equal to minus 3x. So I have 3 is equal to minus 3 bracket minus 1. 3 is equal to minus by minus gives me plus. So I get 3 is equal to 3. Therefore it is on that line. And then my third line here, I have y is equal to minus 2x plus 4. And I have 3 is equal to minus 2 bracket minus 1 plus 4, and I get 3 is equal to minus by minus gives me plus 2 plus 4. 3 is not equal to 6, so it's not on line 3. Line 4 I have then y is equal to minus 3x plus 1. 3 is equal to minus 3 bracket 3 plus 1. 3 is equal to 3 plus 1. 3 is not equal to 4, so it's not on that line. And then the last one I have y is equal to x plus 4. Subbing in, 3 is equal to minus 1 plus 4. 3 is equal to 3, therefore that point is on that line. Question 3 asks me find which of the following points lie on the line y is equal to 3x plus 4, and it asks me to justify my answer. So the first point I'm going to go through is 4, 0. So x is 4, y is 0. So I have 0 is equal to 3 bracket 4 plus 4. So I have 0 is equal to 12 plus 4. 0 is equal to 16. 0 is not equal to 16, so that's not on the line. Part B then is 0, 4. So I'm subbing in x is 0, y is 4. So I'll have 4 is equal to 3 bracket 0 plus 4. 4 is equal to 4. That point is on the line. Part C I have 2, 7. So I have x is 2, y is 7. So I have 7 is equal to 3 bracket 2 plus 4. 7 is equal to 6 plus 4. So I get 7 is not equal to 10. That point is not on the line. Question 4 then I have find which of the following points lie on the line y is equal to minus 2x minus 5, and it says justify your answer. So the first point is 1 minus 7. So x is 1, y is minus 7. So subbing in, I have minus 7 is equal to minus 2 bracket 1 minus 5. Minus 7 is equal to minus 7. That point is on the line. Part B then I have the point 1, 7. So x is 1, y is 7, and I'm subbing in. So 7 is equal to minus 2 bracket 1 minus 7 minus 2 not equal. Point is not on the line. Part C, I have minus 1, minus 7, so x is minus 1, y is minus 7. So I sub in and I have minus 7 is equal to minus 2 bracket minus 1 minus 5. And I get minus 7 is equal to 2 minus 5. Minus 7 is not equal to minus 3. That point is not on the line. Question 5 here. So question 5 says, in each of the case below, find 3 points on the line and then sketch the line. So 3 points on the line, I'm going to sub in x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3. Someone else might have decided x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and then find a third point. That's perfectly fine. So for the first one, I have x is equal to 1, so I'll have y is equal to minus 1 plus 5, y is equal to 4, so that coordinate is 1, 4. Then subbing in x is equal to 2, I have y is equal to minus 2 plus 5, and I get y is equal to 3, so the coordinate is 2, 3. Then when I have x is equal to 3, I have y is equal to minus 3 plus 5, y is equal to 2, so that coordinate is 3, 2. And then for part, I was asked to sketch that line as well. So sketching that line, I just plot my points, and remember you always start in the door up the stairs. So I plotted my 3 points and then just graphed it. Next up then, I have part B, so I have y is equal to x plus 2, so I need to find 3 points. So I have x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3. So I'll have y is equal to 1 plus 2, y is equal to 3, so that point is 1, 3. Then I have x is equal to 2, so I have y is equal to 2 plus 2, so I have y is equal to 4, so that coordinate is 2, 4. And finally I have x is equal to 3, so I'll have y is equal to 3 plus 2. And then I'll have y is equal to 5, so that point is 3, 5. And the next thing then, I had to plot these points. So I just plotted those points and I drew my line that goes with it. Okay, then part C, I have y is equal to minus 3x plus 10, and I need to find 3 points. So I have x is equal to 1, x equals 2, x equals 3. So I'll have y is equal to minus 3 bracket 1 plus 10, y is equal to 7, so that coordinate is 1, 7. Then I have x is equal to 2, and I sub that in. So I have minus 3 bracket 2 plus 10, and I get y is equal to 4, so that coordinate is 2, 4. And then finally I have x is equal to 3. So I have y is equal to minus 3 bracket 3 plus 10, and I get y is equal to 1, so that coordinate is 3, 1. And then I went off and plotted them and drew the line that goes with it. The next one then I have is D. So I have the line y is equal to minus 2x plus 7. So to get 3 points, I let x equal to 1, x equals 2, and x equals to 3. So sub it in. When x is equal to 1, I get the point 1, 5. When x equals 2, I get the point 2, 3. And when x equals 3, I get the point 3, 1. And then I plot it. Okay, question 6. I have question 6, line y is 8. 3 points on that x is equal to. So when I sub 2 bracket 8 equals to, coordinate is 2. I get y bracket 2, and I get 12. Coordinate is finally 3. And I 3. And my line points. B. Part C then asked me to find the slope of L. So slope, you could either use your rise over your run, or you could use your y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1 formula. So I just use my y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. The reason why is because I don't have graph paper here, but either method should work for you. So my points that I had on that line were 1, 10 and 2, 12. So I label them x1, y1, x2, y2. So I have 12 take 10 all over 2 take 1, and I get 2 over 1, and that's equal to 2. Then I have part D. It says investigate whether 313 is on the line, so I need to sub in. So I have x and y. My line is y is equal to 2x plus 8, so I have y is 13 is equal to 2 bracket 2 plus 8. I have 13 is equal to 6 plus 8, and I have 13 is not equal to 14. Question 7, I have K is line y is equal to x plus 8. It says find 3 points on K. So I'm subbing in x equal to 1, x equals 2, x equals to 3. When I sub in x equal to 1, I get 9, so the point is 1, 9. When I sub in x equals 2, I get the point 2, 10. And when I sub in x equals 3, I get the point 3, 11. The next thing then is it says sketch the line, so I have my points plotted there, and then you use your ruler to draw, join the 3 dots together. And there at C it asks me to get the slope, so once again use your rise over your run if you have nice grid paper in your copies. So I have here y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1, so one of the points in that line was 1, 9 and 2, 10. I label my points x1, y1, x2, y2, and I have the slope is equal to 10 minus. So D then to investigate whether 9, 17 is on K. So I sub in 9 and 17. So x is 9, y is 17. And my line was y is equal to x plus 8. So I have 17 is equal to 9 plus 8. So I get 17 is equal to 17. That point is on the line. Question 8 then I have minus 2, 5 is on the line, y is equal to 2x plus k, find the value of k. So we've been subbing in points all along, so I have minus 2, 5, I'm going to sub in here. So y is 5 is equal to 2 bracket x is minus 2 plus k. So I now have 5 is equal to minus 4 plus k. So I have k. To get rid of this here, to make it to 0, I need to have plus 4, so I'm going to have plus 4 on the left hand side also. So I have 5 plus 4 is equal to k, and then I have k is equal to 9. And then for question 9 I have the point k3 is on the line, y is equal to minus 3x plus 15, find the value of k. So I have x, y, and I'm going to sub in. So I have 3 is equal to minus 3k plus 15. I'm going to bring 3k over to the left hand side and cross the equal sign, it becomes plus. So I have 3 is equal to 15, and I bring this 3 over to the left hand side and cross the equal sign, it becomes minus. And I have k over 3 is equal to 12 over 3, 15, 3 was, I have to find what 1k is equal, so I divide across by 3, divide across by 3, and I get that k equal to